Hey guys, it's Rick with CHomestead.com. I'm here with Jake. Jake, turn around. What's up, guy? And Jake's parents. How are you guys doing? Absolutely parents. I hate when you call dogs owners. I'm not my dog's owners.
Right.
We have a partnership.
They own us.
Exactly. The truth we're known.
Real boss, but other than that.
Exactly. What's your first name?
My name's Mercy.
And how about you?
Jeff.
Jeff, nice to meet you guys. My name is Rick. So you actually rescued Jake from This Is the Dog, huh?
Yes.
Great organization, huh?
Awesome organization.
What was your experience like dealing with the people here at This Is the Dog?
These people are beyond caring. They're so generous. They're so loving to every single animal.
Yeah.
And they want to make sure that they pair people correctly. So
That's so important.
I love that.
Yeah.
We had a meet and greet. It was like a first date.
Oh, how cute.
Yeah, they really
Probably
care.
way better than a date with him, I'm thinking.
Well,
Yeah,
well,
26 years, I'll
first
keep
date was probably good, but it goes downhill after that.
26 years later.
Oh, wow. I was married for 24 years one time. So it can fall apart even no matter what.
Hey,
Exactly. I'm on a training program. I'm going to be great for my next wife.
There you go.
appreciate your words of encouragement.
Exactly. Yeah, 26 years, maybe the last, okay?
Yeah, right.
Don't get too stable.
For the sake of the dog.
Absolutely.
There you
Well, you know what? In the truth, in the last 3 years, I separated from my wife 3 years ago. She still works for our company, and I get Mako, my dog, 3 days a week, and she gets her 4 days. We've done that for 3 years because the dogs don't understand breakups. We have daughters. I can explain it to them, but I can't explain it to a Mako.
But the dog's more sensitive in a lot of ways.
Absolutely, and higher quality than most humans. Well, thank you guys for getting on camera, okay? And thank you for adopting instead of buying a dog. Never buy a dog. If you listen to this video, never buy a dog.
Never.
Matter of fact, adopt children. We got enough of them around too.
Exactly.
Let's just start adopting things,
Adopting.
and the life and the world will be better.
It'll definitely be better.
Just think if we could pair up all the people who want to have kids right now with all the kids that are extra,
Exactly.
the human kids. I mean, just
It'd be amazing.
I can't even imagine how wonderful it would be. Anyway, well, you guys take care. Jake, it's always a special moment when I get to bond with a puppy. Everyone is special, and you're a beautiful little boy. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you so
for
much.
rescuing. Take care. Bye-bye. CHomestead.com. I'm here with Ram today. How you doing, Ram?
Pretty good.
Well,
Tired from yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. I haven't seen you since yesterday evening. That's crazy. Anyway, from Bistro Fusion Cafe Restaurant, one of our favorite restaurants now here in Naranja, actually. And what we're here for is SeeMyBeach.com and CHomestead.com. We do positive things in the community, like the coverage of this, which was requested by This Is the Dog, as well as Homestead Animal Hospital, one of our sponsors. And that money comes out of our general fund. We have a special program called Signature Sponsors, where people like you actually just pay for the coverage, and we don't have to take it out of our fund. And that's what you did.
Yep. I was more than happy to do that. I'm a dog lover myself. I have my own dog. So.
Oh yeah, well, it's amazing when people do things like that. And you're just starting a new business. I know money is not flowing, but yet you took and you said, guess what? There's bigger things than just money, and you gave us money. So I appreciate that, Ram.
Welcome.
You know what? The people around here are going to really appreciate it, because as much as you would think Homestead like is this thing run by families who's been here forever, who all love the community and things like that,
Right.
not so much all the time.
I know sometimes it's hard, but you
It-
know,
it's a
you got to stay committed. And
You
that's
have to
how I
stay
feel.
committed.
Right.
You have to look at things. We always say that our sponsors look at giving as an opportunity and not an inconvenience.
Well, that is, the truth is, you live and work in a community. You want it to prosper spiritually, socially, financially, and you got to do your part. Whatever you can do to make the community come together. Especially if somebody's doing something as good as what This Is the Dog is doing.
Great organization.
I mean, I have a dog myself.
Right.
You know, so and I see animals out there abandoned, and I'm always kind of angry. But if you can't have it, you know, why start there?
I know it's ridiculous.
It's
I
good
got
what they're doing. I
want to go see your dog sometime.
Yeah.
It's pathetic how the people leave the animals around on the streets here and everything. But This Is the Dog is a great organization. They're really working to try to solve those problems, and that's why it's important for all of us to highlight organizations like this. And there's a lot of people listening to this video that has a ton of money. You should give some of that money to This Is the Dog, because they're putting their money where their mouth is.
Well, right, and that's good. If you know, if what I did reaches another business and they want to sponsor something, I'm going to be talking to them. I'll tell them, you know, what I did, and if they can get involved, I'll be more than happy to.
Absolutely.
Introduce them to you, and yeah.
Everybody has to do their part for sure. You were talking off screen a few minutes ago about a program you want to do where a certain percentage of your profits or money actually goes back to
Right.
to things on a regular
with
basis.
this organization, this is the dog. What they're going to do is if they come to my restaurant and they discuss it with me, so they put the idea and I am more than happy to work with them on it. They would send the dog owners in their club to my restaurant, and whatever they spend during that month of the promotion, or as long as they want to run it, I'm more than happy to accommodate it. I'll give 10% back to the charity.
Excellent. And you know, See My Beach, See Homestead on our side, we'll do everything we can to help with that promotion and promote it because it's all good. All money going back to them helps our community. So thank you so much, Ryan, for being part of this. Thank you for being the signature sponsor for this event. That means that not a dime had to come out of our general fund, which means we get to go do more stuff for Homestead.
There you go, and I'm glad to be part of it.
We appreciate it, Ron. Thank you so much. And I'm glad to be part of your restaurant because I love it over there. I love your employees, the staff. Your exhilarance rubs off on everybody.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, my friend.
Thanks.
See you later.
Yeah.
Here's my old friend getting dirty today. How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. What's going on?
I'm washing this.
So you're volunteering at the dog wash?
Yes, I am.
Excellent. For people that don't know, this is Miss Homestead, right? Excellent. And we met last night at Bistro Fusion Restaurant. And now I see you, you look a little different today.
Yes, I do. I look dirty.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad to see you volunteering for the dogs. It makes you a better person. So thank you for being a part of it, okay?
Thank you.
Take care.
Johnny, I'm gonna go help wash the car.
Here's my old friend getting dirty today. How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. What's going on?
I'm washing this.
So you're volunteering at the dog wash?
Yes, I am.
Excellent. For people that don't know, this is Miss Homestead, right? Excellent. And we met last night at Bistro Fusion Restaurant. And now I see you, you look a little different today.
Yes, I do. I look dirty.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad to see you volunteering for the dogs. It makes you a better person. So thank you for being a part of it, okay?
Thank you.
Take care. Mako, she's like, I know all these people.
What do you think? Oh, she feels good.
Yeah.
She must have had a bath.
Yeah, Stephanie just gave her a bath yesterday. She didn't know about the doggy wash.
She's all sleek. Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming out here. Two people from my Mako's dog park she goes to. It's Bruce. How you doing, Bruce?
Good.
He's on Mako duty handling my little girl. Thank you.
That's right.
And this is Lynn. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good.
I didn't bring my dogs, but I brought my car.
There you go. She's coming out to support the thing by bringing your car. Well, thank you guys. Every little bit helps for sure.
Thank you.
Thank y'all for coming out, okay?
Okay.
They are little under all that hair. See how tiny? They're tiny.
See you guys later. Hey, not a problem. We got our message.
Smoke dog.
Yeah, right.
I literally.
With Pamela, also from the dog park. How you doing, Pamela?
Good. How are you?
Excellent. These are people that my dog Mako goes to play with, and this is Sandy. This is one of her fellow doggy friendlies. And I appreciate y'all for coming out to support the dog
It's
event.
an incredible opportunity to benefit a worthy cause and to get both dogs taken care of. Because right now, with it being hot and sweaty, they need a bath.
Absolutely. Sandy, you're getting a bath, my pretty girl.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for coming out and supporting it, okay? And I think we have some more people coming too, huh?
Yes, we have quite a few from what I understand.
Excellent.
A couple more dogs are on their way from the dog park.
Nice.
They want to come out here and take care of their dogs and to benefit a worthy cause.
Well, thank y'all for coming out, okay?
Thank you.
And there is Mako over there, very impatiently waiting with Bruce. And tell everybody really quick what kind of restaurant you have and what you offer.
Well, we have a full line of American breakfast, American dinners. We have the fusion of my name goes to because we cater for a couple of different ethnic dishes. I have an Asian dish in the restaurant. I have a Cuban dish, churrasco and steak. And every week I will be sponsoring an item, promoting an item actually from Trinidad.
Nice.
That's where I'm from. So I'm gonna have a curry night or something like that.
Excellent. Well, I look forward to trying a lot of that myself. Okay, well, you take care, and thank you again for sponsoring this event. And everybody can go to they can click a link on this page where they're probably watching this at and go see your video from the restaurant.
Yeah.
Take care, my
Thank
friend.
you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Here's a handshake. Take care. Bye.